Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Global influencer and Jamaican track star Usain Bolt shared on a podcast that he is ready to break his silence on the loss of US $12 million to disgraced investment house Stocks and Securities Limited. Bolt says he is still waiting for the restoration of his money. Bolt and 200 other SSL investors lost money in the massive fraud discovered at SSL about 2 years ago. To date, only one former SSL staff member has faced the courts. Bolt said he has kept quiet to protect the country's image, but he suggests it may be time to change his approach. US-based impact investment firm Blue Maho Capital Incorporated officially launched its US $5 million Caribbean diaspora bond, offering for US investors on February 1st, aimed at giving Jamaicans in the US a chance to invest and help grow Jamaica. The minimum investment is US $100 and is structured under Regulation CF of the Jobs Act. The bond is designed to attract US investors seeking fixed, guaranteed returns. Financier David Mullings, founder and chairman and CEO of Blue Maho Capital Incorporated, said this bond offering provides a stable investment option while contributing to critical housing development in the Caribbean, he explained. The proceeds from the bond offering will primarily fund affordable housing developments in Jamaica. The flagship project, Penn Village in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, has already garnered significant interest, with a model unit completed and over 258 potential buyers expressing interest in the first 200 homes of a planned 700-unit development. Grace Kennedy has announced key leadership changes set to take effect in 2025 as part of the company's succession plan. Effective February 14, Andrea Coy will assume the role of CEO of Grace Kennedy Foods, a move that will see the integration of the domestic and international segments of GK's food division under a single leadership structure. Later this year, following a 25-year career at Grace Kennedy, Grace Burnett will retire as CEO of the Grace Kennedy Financial Group effective August 14, 2025. Upon her retirement, Stephen Whittingham, the current Deputy CEO of the financial group, will step into the role of CEO. Last month, the company confirmed that Group CEO Don Webby will retire on February 14, 2025. He will be succeeded by Frank James, the current CEO of GK Foods Domestic and former Group CFO. For the trading period ending February 11, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy firm Wigton Energy Limited, with 66,864,936 units traded, representing 83.56% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited Jamaican dollar shares, with 3,385,015 units traded, representing 4.23% of market sales volume. Gas station operator Regency Petroleum Company Limited, with 2,576,597 units traded, representing 3.22% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On February 11, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $41.96 million purchased and US $59.27 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.74 per dollar, selling the US at $158.18 and buying the US at $156.44. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.44 per transaction, with selling at $111.10 and buying at $109.66. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.38 in profits, with selling at $193.85 and buying at $191.47. For our credit report tip of the day, turn your credit repair journey into a strategic game plan. If your challenge is errors on your credit report, then your strategy is to regularly review your credit reports and dispute inaccuracies, because your score should be based on facts, not fiction. However, if your challenge is lender skepticism due to past credit issues, then your strategy is to build a track record with smaller, manageable credit products to slowly win back their trust. Now, building from nothing to financial recovery and resilience, we pay special attention to professional women over the age of 45 who have mindset blocks that become financial blocks. Let's look at procrastination and perfectionism. If that's you, your action plan is to embrace progress over perfection. Launch your digital business idea as a minimum viable product. Think about a blog, an e-commerce store, or an affiliate site, and refine as you grow. Then there's self-doubt and imposter syndrome. Your action plan is to celebrate every win: your first investment, a successful sale, or a new subscriber. Lean on mentors who have walked this path to boost your confidence. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step towards your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.